It's hot in here, huh? Climate change is real. Global carbon dioxide is quickly rising, and it's not stopping. Let's take a look at past events. During the Industrial Revolution, humans started burning fossil fuels in increasingly large amounts. And now, 84% of the population relies on fossil fuels as a source of energy. The carbon dioxide concentration in the Earth's atmosphere increased in 47% since the industrial age. Quite high, right? But what does it have to do with climate change? There are naturally occurring gases like CO2 and methane that in themselves aren't bad. In fact, we need them in limited quantities to keep our atmosphere just in right amount temperature for life as we know it to exist. But as we produce too much of these gases, as we have, the temperature rises as it has. Let's take a look at this simple experiment. Take two identical containers and set them side by side. Put in a thermometer for each bottle and seal them. Then run a hose from a source of CO2 into one of the bottles. Since we exhale CO2, we'll be the source. Shine two heat lamps at equal intensity at equal distance on each one. Within a short time, you will see that the temperature inside a container with a CO2 source rises faster and quicker. The containers are like the atmosphere. The heated lamps represent the sun. These are the levels of CO2 in the atmosphere throughout the years. But this spike at the end, this was the start of Industrial Revolution. And up to now, it is continuously rising. It is not going down. 95% of this is caused by human activities such as burning of fossil fuels, oil, coal, rise in population, release of methane, and many more. So when these greenhouse gases are released in the air, the sun's heat is trapped in it. Then, the planet gets warmer. That's why they call it the greenhouse effect. Today, we are 1 degree hotter than the pre-industrial time. Quite okay, you could think. In fact, even if we increase in 1.5 degrees or 2 degrees by the end of the century, we will probably be alright. But the problem is the rate of increase in the temperature. Presently, we are about to hit a 1.5 degrees increase just within 10 years. And if we cannot change this, climate change will.